Review with me, Slava Ismailova, Grand Capital Financial Analyst. Today is the 19th of December. Fears of sovereign downgrades over the Eurozone debt crisis pressured Euro on Monday, while news of the death of North Korean leader Kim Jong-il fed fears of regional instability in Asia. The euro slipped about 0.1% to 1.3024 versus the dollar, edging back towards an 11-month hit last week on 1.2945 on fears that ratings downgrade for several European countries could derail progress towards resolving the eurozone's debt crisis. Stocks are mixed, with MSCI's World Equity Index down around 0.3%, while the key FTSE Euro First 300 index recovered from early losses to climb 0.6% from Friday's closing level. The dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of currencies, was flat for the day at 80.26, parting gains made in the Asian session. Eurogroup finance ministers will discuss progress in person fiscal consolidation later on Monday, after a key summit earlier this month failed to produce a convincing plan to solve the region's funding problems, prompting rate agencies to respond negatively. The finance ministers also face a deadline on Monday to decline their contributions to a plan to expand up to 200 billion euros in bilateral loans to the IMF to bolster its crisis-fighting muscle. Fitch was the latest rating agency to warn it may downgrade European sovereign debt. It said France and 6 other Eurozone countries could see their ratings cut as a comprehensive solution to the region's debt crisis was technically and politically beyond reach. Moody's Investors Service also cut Belgium's credit rating by 2 notches to A3 late on Friday, sending the benchmark 10-year Belgian bond yield 7 basis points higher to 4.4%. The yield spread between 10-year Belgian debt and equivalent German bonds widened to 252 basis points. North Korea's announcement on Monday that its leader Kim Jong-il died of heart attack while on a train trip on Saturday sparked immediate concern over who is in control of the reclusive state and its nuclear program. Kim Jong-un, Kim's youngest son, was named by North Korea's official news agency KCNA as their great successor. The news prompted a sharp fall in South Korean stocks, where the benchmark index closed at a 3-week low, down 3.4%. German government bonds were steady earlier on Monday, supported by some safe haven buying linked to the death of the North Korean leader and the ratings agency warnings. While credit downgrades are anticipated, trade is expected to thin out ahead of the Christmas holidays. Commodity, already under pressure due to Europe's sovereign debt crisis, also fell on the North Korean news, but we're seeing some recovery in Europe. Brent crude was up 0.3% to about 103.65 a barrel. Gold, usually regarded as a safe haven set in times of uncertainty, recovered from losses in Asia and was steady at 1,594.55 an ounce. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.